to Gordon Guitar. We have RUEL here with the song called Set Yourself on Fire. So this one is a pretty straightforward song. We have one string pattern that goes in the same way, very easy, down, up, and then 4 chords in the same order through the entire song. So we like that. Let's start with this capo here set on the 2nd fret, and the 4 chords will be A, C sharp minor, D, and E. So A, it's open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Next is C sharp minor, a bar chord with the bar here on the 4th fret. You bar all strings except from the last E here in the bass. So 5 strings on the 4th fret, and then the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Next is D, so open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord is E. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we mentioned the strumming pattern. It's very easy. Let's start with the A here, since that is the 1st chord. And by the way, the chord progression will be in the order we learned the chord. So A, C sharp minor, D, and E. All right, so one strumming around will be down, up, down, up. Okay, so like this. And I try to get the bass strings or mid bass strings on the first 2 down ups. Then I go to the top strings and get the down there. And then go back to get the bass on the final up. So bass, bass, top, bass. That's pretty much how I work with this strumming pattern. So slowly like this. So in a tempo. Alright, so let's look at the amount of strumming patterns we need for the chords. So we'll start with 8 4 string rounds. So then you switch to the C sharp, the same there, 4. Then you go to D and play 6. Final chord E, you go for 2 rounds. And that is pretty much how the song goes. So in a standard tempo, one chord progression will sound like this. So that's pretty much RUEL's Set Yourself on Fire. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.